Here I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to use and how to set up the wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings, scroll down and under device let's choose personalization. Here let's tap wallpaper, and as you can see, you can use one of the following wallpapers or you can select from the gallery. Let's tap it. Here you can use the albums or photos if you would like to, but in my case, let me go back, and here you can also use the online searcher right here, so you can search for some wallpapers from the network, from the internet. Let's go back, and let's suppose that you would like to set up some of the following wallpapers. So all you have to do is just choose it right here and tap apply. You can use it on your lock or on your home screen or on both screens. In my case, let me use on lock screen, tap OK, wallpaper applied. As you can see now, if you press the power key, you will see the new wallpaper. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.